In this video, I am going to be showing you how to delete your Snapchat account permanently. So, let's get started. Alright, click on the link below to land on this page. Now here, sign in with the account that you want to delete permanently. Snapchat will send you an email to verify your login. Simply check your email with which you have registered your account and click on Approve Login. Now once again, it is going to ask you to sign in with the account that you want to delete permanently. Click Continue. That's it. Your Snapchat account will be deleted permanently in 30 days. Also, if you want to reactivate it again, make sure to log in at least once within the next 30 days to regain access to your account.